One of the reasons WordPress is so popular is the availability of unlimited resources and plugins. The large community of developers have created many such plugins that greatly enhances the performance of your website. I will show you how to use such free plugins on your website and enhance the user interface. In this tutorial we will use the following 5 plugins: Contact Form 7, Meta Slider, Social Media Feather, the Events Calendar, and WP Google Maps. To do so, go to your dashboard and hover your mouse over Plugins. Click on Add New. On the following page, type Contact Form 7 on the search plugin bar. Locate Contact Form 7 by Takeuchi Mishi. Click on Install Now. On the next page, click on Activate Plugin. Click on Contact Form 7 Settings to create 2 forms. Let's create the first form called Contact Us. Click on Add New. Give it a title Contact Us. Delete the existing HTML code inside the Form tab. For the form code, locate Ed Pro Installation Package folder and click on Plugins. Click on the document called Contact Form 7 and locate the form code under the title Contact Us. Copy the code and paste it into the form. Click on Save. Now we will create the second form called Newsletter. Go to your dashboard and hover your mouse over Contact. Click on Add New. Give it a title Newsletter. Delete the existing HTML form code. Locate Ed Pro Installation Package folder and click on Plugins. Click on the document called Contact Form 7 and locate the form code under the title Newsletter. Copy the code and paste it into the form. Click on Save. We will use these contact forms on our widgets. After you install all the listed plugins, in the next unit, you will learn about widgets and how to use them. So for now, let's continue installing the rest of the plugins. We will install the next plugin called Meta Slider. This plugin will help to create the slideshows, where you can display your products, advertisements, and call for actions. To do so, go to your dashboard and hover your mouse over Plugins. Click on Add New. On the following page, type Meta Slider on the search plugin bar. Locate Meta Slider by Matcha Labs. Click on Install Now. On the next page, click on Activate Plugin. In order to create your first slideshow using Meta Slider, go to your dashboard and click on Meta Slider. Click on Create your first slideshow. Enter the title and click on Add Slide. From your media library, find the following 3 images: Page Slider 1, Page Slider 2, and Page Slider 3. Select all 3 images and click on Add to Slider. Fill up the slide's information. On the right-hand side, make some changes to customize the slides. Make sure the flex slider is selected. Change the width to 1300, height to 500, effect to fade, and theme to default or standard. Now click on Advanced Setting and set slide delay to 9000, and animation speed to 600. Click on Save. Like your previous plugin, we will learn to use this slideshow on our widget. For now, let's continue installing another plugin. We will install the next plugin called Social Media Feather. This plugin will allow your website visitors to share and like your posts on a social media. To do so, go to your dashboard and hover your mouse over Plugins. Click on Add New. On the following page, type Social Media Feather on the search plugin bar. Locate Social Media Feather by Sinved. Click on Install Now. On the next page, click on Activate Plugin. Let's change some settings and customize this plugin. Go to your dashboard and hover your mouse over Plugins. Click on Installed Plugins. Locate Social Media Feather and click on Settings. Use the following settings. Check Display Sharing buttons. On the prefix markup, type the following code. Set your icon size to 32 by 32. Change an icon resolution to double, and icon spacing to 10. Add your Facebook follow link. For example, I will use facebook.com/customizepress. Similarly, add your links for Twitter and Google+. Save changes. Now if you click blog on your navigation, and click on any posts, you will find the social media share icons at the bottom of your post. Your website visitor will be able to share the post at a click of a button. Let's install another great plugin called the Events Calendar by Modern Pride. This plugin will allow to display calendar, list of your upcoming events, details of the events, and much more. To do so, go to your dashboard and hover your mouse over Plugins. Click on Add New. On the following page, type the Events Calendar on the search plugin bar. Locate the Events Calendar by Modern Pride. Click on Install Now. On the next page, click on Activate Plugin. Now we will create 2 events using the installed plugin, the Events Calendar. In the next unit, you will learn to list them on your sidebar, using the widget. Let's create our first event called Summer Event. To do so, go to your dashboard and hover your mouse over Events. Click on Add New. On the next page, give title to your event. I am calling my event, Summer Event. Add description to your event. Set event start, and then date. Fill up any other information that you want to display on your event. Click on Set Featured Image, and choose any blog image from your media library. Click on Set Featured Image, and publish your event. Before we move on, I would like you to choose the page template to display your event. To do so, hover your mouse over Events, and click on Settings. Click on Display. From the Events Template drop-down menu, choose Page with Right sidebar, and click on Save Changes. Now repeat the process, and create one more event and call it Winter Event. As you have completed creating 2 events, we'll learn to use them on our next unit. But before we do that, let's install our last plugin called WP Google Maps. To do so, go to your dashboard and hover your mouse over Plugins. Click on Add New. On the following page, type WP Google Maps on the search plugin bar. Locate WP Google Maps by WP Google Maps. Click on Install Now. On the next page, click on Activate Plugin. We will use this plugin to display the map of our business location. To do so, go to your dashboard, and hover your mouse over Maps. Click on Maps. Click on OK. Let's start. Click on My First Map. Go to Markers and enter your address. Click on Add Marker. Go to your markers. Delete any default address, for example California. Make sure your location is listed under the section, Your Markers. Use zoom level under General setting to focus on your location. Click on Save Map. You have successfully installed all the required plugins. In the next tutorial, you will learn to add widgets to your sidebars and various other sections. If you like this tutorial, please leave us a feedback. See you on the next tutorial. Goodbye.